Hey Yusuf, have you ever wondered what happened in the operating rooms when the power goes out?
Hey Ella, that's a great question. Let's talk to our manufacturing friends at Bendel to find the answer.
My name is Matt Rapp. I'm the head of operations at Bender. So at Bender, we consider ourselves a leader in electrical safety products, and we are headquartered in Grünberg, Germany, which is about an hour northwest of Frankfurt. And our location here in the U.S. is in Exton, PA. We make devices that monitor and detect electrical hazards that end up protecting people and equipment from failures or electrical hazards to people. So really what our devices are doing is they're looking at how the electricity is moving, making sure that there's no what we call a fault, which is an error, and making sure that it doesn't get to any major failure.
With hospitals becoming more controlled during the pandemic, Bendel is doing its part to keep hospitals running and safe.
So where Bender comes in is that we are primarily in the operating rooms. Just like your house, you have electricity or power that's routed from your power plant company, let's say like PECO or PSE&G, that routes power to your homes. And then I'm sure you guys have breaker panels inside your homes. And let's say something bad happened, the breaker is going to trip or turn off and basically shuts the power off to the house or that portion of the house to protect you. It's a very similar situation that happens in an operating room. Imagine a doctor performing surgery or open heart surgery on someone. The downside is if something happens in a hospital, you can't have that power turn off under any circumstances because some of that equipment that they're using is actually keeping you alive. So what Bender does is we create what we call isolation power systems, which will help actually monitor the entire electrical system within an operating room before a problem actually happens. Like for example, in your house, when an electrical problem happens, you have to call an electrician and they find out which receptacle is the problem and go from there. So we assist on that side as well, as far as figuring out where the issue is and pinpoint it quickly. That way the operating room can get back up and running as quickly as possible so they can continue to save lives.